This short tutorial video describes the various plans that OfferingTree provides. If you log into the back end of your site and click on the subscriptions under the account heading, you'll be brought to the subscriptions page. And you'll notice the various plans that are available as being part of an OfferingTree customer. Each of the plans has slightly different bundling of services. So the starter plan has blogging, scheduling, event registration, payment processing, donations, and a basic client contact management system. And we try to price this at a point that is affordable and yet helps us to continue to develop the features that you might need in the future. And if you know that you need additional capabilities and functionality, then you should look at the Essentials plan, which includes an additional array of customization as well as communication features such as sending automated emails or sending newsletters. And you'll see all of the features listed under each plan so that you can quickly compare which one is the best fit for you. Once you've decided on a plan that fits for you, you can select the plan, and if you haven't already, it'll ask you to input a payment method, and in this case one has already been entered here. And you can always change this, so if your card expires or it is past its due date or a new card gets issued, then make sure that you change the payment method in this section so that you don't have any interruptions to your OfferingTree service. Now, if at any point you decide that you're not completely happy with your plan, then you can always cancel your subscription. And the way to do that is to click on the Need to Cancel Your Subscription link at the bottom. When you click on that link, you'll see that it brings up a little message at the bottom. And you can click here to send us a message and let us know the reason that you're deciding to cancel. And as soon as you submit that, then we will process your cancel subscription and send you an email as soon as it's complete. Now, once you cancel your subscription, it's important to note that you will actually just be downgraded to the basic plan, and the basic plan allows you to maintain the website and have a basic contact form so that if anybody reaches out to you, you'll still get an email, and also allows you to link your social media links. So the idea is that you still will have a presence where people can find you, even if you decide that you don't need these additional features. So thank you again for choosing OfferingTree, and if you have any questions about any of the plans, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can always send us a message by clicking on the help button in the lower left, or just by sending us an email at support@offeringtree.com. We look forward to seeing all that you have to offer.